हाँ. Hello, hello. Anyone? We are like telling your followers that we have started a live video. Okay, we are on live now. Sara Dalani joined. Oh, Sara is here. Hi, Sara. Sara is the first one to join always. Neha Singh, 36 joined. Yeah. Okay. Hi, everybody. How are you all? Faraz, what's joined? Hello. Yeah, everybody's coming on here. Hi, Amit. Hi. I'm Lucky Rajput. Hi, Lucky. Mr. John. Hello. So, what do you think of the end result of my drawing? You just reposted it. The drawing was very good, Sarah. It's completed and it's a very good drawing you've done from your heart. Thanks so much. And looking forward to your next drawing as well. Assalamualaikum. Walaikum assalam from Dubai. Himanshu, please tell me the workout plan. Hi, Michael. Michael, I think I've spoken to Michael earlier. Yeah. Sunny Cool. Is my volume okay? Where is Rolly? Rolly is yet to come on. View request. Okay. Actually, guys, I'm a little new on all this, so you'll have to tolerate me a little. Hi, Australia, biggest fan from Sydney. Wow. Michael says, Walaikum assalam, Saqib. The volume is all fine. Great, Sarah. Thanks. Shankar Shani here. Hi, Shankar Shani here. Yeah, Shankar Shani is here. Happy Dasara, Shivam. Rolly joined. Where's Rolly now? Hello. Rolly, how do I get Rolly? How do I get Rolly on here? Yeah. Hello. How do I get Rolly on here? We request. What is his name? Wave. Comment. Okay, I'm sending Rolly a request. Sent successfully. Okay, now Rolly will join. Okay, guys, I'm doing this for the first time, so this is a little. Rolly is going to join us soon. And कैसे हैं आप? सोहेल भाई ठीक हैं, सब अच्छा चल रहा है, शुक्रिया. One sec. Okay, now Rolly is going to join us soon. How many piercings do you have? Yeah, I have 2 piercings in my ears, Shiva. Just 2 piercings. Actually, मैंने ये रोल के लिए रखा है कि कभी कुछ रोल करना पड़े जिसमें ईयरिंग की जरूरत पड़ेगी तो होल बना के ही रहे, बंद नहीं हो. ड्यूरिंग मेला आई हैड डन माय फर्स्ट पियर्सिंग ऑफ माय ईयर्स. उसके बाद होल बंद हो गया था, तो फिर मैंने फिर से करवा लिया कोई रोल के हिसाब से, अगर कुछ ईयरिंग डालनी पड़े इसलिए. Happy Dasara to everybody. Happy Dasara. Who's this? Sujal Mishra. Hello, Sujal. Happy Dasara. Hope everyone had did a good prayers in Dasara and hope everything went over well. Hey Faisal, have you accepted? Guys, you'll have to. One second. Hello, I'll have to ask someone. 1 second, guys. Just hello, Akriti. Hello. How do I accept this?
Yeah.
Akriti, how do I accept this? The Rolly's this thing video, yeah. Guys, I'm new at all this. So I'm asking someone for help. Hello.
Yeah. Has she sent you a request?
Yeah, she sent me a request. She's saying.
So just click on that request thing.
Click on the request thing. It's gone. Or it's got somewhere on the request thing. Request thing, matlab.
You must have sent you a request.
View
Request to
request.
join. Click on
View
request.
request. View request. Go live.
Yeah.
View request. 1 second. Yeah. I'm just keeping sending request to Rolly. Pin me, Ranveer Khan. Sir, आपका DM का reply करोगे मेरे sir. DM. Rolly sir. Hi Rolly. Okay, thanks. Thanks.
Hi, Faisal.
Yeah, Rolly. Hi, how are you?
Happy to share, everybody.
Hi, Rolly. Rolly,
I was
sorry.
like, are you accepting my request or not?
नहीं यार, I'm new to all this, yeah. So this will take 1 or 2
got
sessions.
like all ready and everything, and I'm
Yeah,
like,
you're
please
looking-
accept my request.
You're looking so lovely, Rolly. Very nice.
You too. You're looking
Thanks.
so
Happy
nice.
Dussehra.
We're wearing
Happy-
white.
Yeah, you're wearing white. Yeah, nice. It's looking very nice.
Happy Dussehra to you, Faisal, and happy Dussehra to everybody out there.
Yeah, happy Dussehra. I wish your mom, wish your parents, wish your brother, everyone from my side.
Thank
well.
you. I
So,
will.
how
Thank
was
you
your
so
day,
much.
Rolly? How was your day, Rolly? What did you do today?
Day was good. I got up, worked out, and then started preparing for the live. Yeah.
Okay.
How was your
Yeah.
day?
But I put some flowers outside my house and some diyas, and I
Nice.
prayed, and yeah, just generally.
I love the backdrop also.
Yeah, thanks. Yeah, it took some time to do
Super
it. I wanted to give a different background, because
No,
normally.
it's looking very nice. It's super festive.
Yeah, thanks.
And do you recognize these?
Yeah, I recognize these. They're looking nice.
So you want to tell the story about these earrings? Who gave it
No,
to
you
me?
tell it. No, you tell it. So you tell the story, really.
So these super pretty earrings have been given to me by Mariam, our producer. She's like,
Yeah.
Rolly, please, I know you don't wear jewelry, so please wear jewelry on the Sarah, and you're going to like wear my jewelry. So I'm donned in Mariam's jewelry right now.
Rolly, you're not audible. You're not audible.
You can hear me now?
Yeah, just say
One
something.
One
You're not
second.
audible. Clearly audible. You're not clearly audible. Just say something. Yeah, these earrings were given by
Can you
Mariam
hear
to
me now?
Rolly.
Now
Yeah.
this is fine?
Just ask the people there. Can Rolly be heard, guys? Hello, anyone? Can Rolly be heard? Hello.
Hi.
Shok Dhari. These guys
Can
will
you
let
hear
us
me?
know. No? I can hear
Can
you.
you hear
I
me?
can. I
Perfect.
could hear you before also. So just I think. Then I got a message from someone that she's audible, sir. Okay, you're audible.
Okay.
You're audible. You're
Okay,
audible.
great.
Great.
I'm so excited to do this live with you, Faisal. This is, I think, our first live just together.
Yeah, it's fun, nice. It's good.
Yeah.
So
I'm really
Mariam
looking
gave you
forward.
these. Yeah, the producer Mariam gave this to Rolly, and she said you must use these also, and
Must use it.
It's looking very nice. It's looking so
It is
sweet.
looking so pretty, and she has amazing taste.
Yeah, and that's why even our film has turned out so well with many her inputs.
Oh my God! Thank you, Faisal. And what's happening? So, just 1 second. Sorry, just okay. Perfect.
So you went to the. Did you meet some people, and or you met up with some friends on Dussehra, or you just put flowers?
No.
I put flowers on all my cars. I did that puja. I told my driver, "जाओ पूजा करो यार. तुम गाड़ी को तुम बहुत ठोकते हो मेरी गाड़ी को. जाके पूजा करो." And then I bought some sweets, and I gave all the watchmen and the people, and he broke some nariyals and all.
That is sweet. That's sweet. No, I wish I thought of doing all of that. I
like to. And I wished a lot of people happy Dussehra on my phone, and I got some wishes, and I did all that. I like to celebrate festivals,
I know. I saw it in one of your interviews where you said you
Yeah.
celebrate every festival.
Yeah. I celebrate whether it's whatever, whether it's Hindu, Muslim,
Whatever,
Sikh.
yeah.
I celebrate
Yeah.
all festivals. That's what India is all about, na, really.
True.
You
And
know,
we
we
have
should
so many
celebrate.
festivals. We should actually celebrate everything. That's a very sweet thought when you really think
Yeah.
about it. It's a
Yeah,
very sweet thought that, no matter what religion it is, no matter anything, you just celebrate and
yeah,
have a great time.
yeah. Why not? Yeah, let's have a great time. So many moments, so many excuses to enjoy and
Yeah.
meet up and
True.
have sweets and have some fun. Pray to the gods and everyone. Yeah.
Yeah. No. That's true.
So I
And
did
what
all.
else?
So I did all these things. Then I got my kurta ironed and all that because I wanted to look nice. I shaved in the last moment.
When I met you the last time also for the promo, you had shaved, and I don't think I've ever seen you shave so many times. Every time now I meet you, you're always clean shaven. So everyone should actually know that Faisal has always had a little bit of a stubble.
You remember the workshops, na? The
I
workshop.
remember the workshops, like full stubbled out and everything, and now I've been seeing him. He's like looking so different,
I
but
mean,
he's looking nice.
thanks. But this is just. I mean, I have to dress up for my fans and and just for viewers, and
Yeah.
I want to look good. Yeah. Otherwise, I'm just
Yeah.
quite lazy. Yeah. And I work so much. Actually, something or the other is always going on. Some work or the other.
Yeah, that's
Just into
true.
100
That's
things.
true.
Yeah.
No, that
So
is
how
true.
did the guests? How did everyone enjoy Dussehra here? Yeah. How did यहाँ सबने दशहरा कैसा एंजॉय किया सब लोगों ने यहाँ अलग अलग कुछ बताया हमको प्लीज टेल योर वर्कआउट आज नहीं यार वर्कआउट प्लान कभी फिर बाद में बताएंगे वर्कआउट प्लान तो बस मैं डाइट करता हूँ ज्यादा how did everyone on the chat how did they Faisal bhai good in earrings thanks no my earrings
No, my earrings. Yours.
yeah Ruli's earrings are better than mine
No, today it's my earrings which are taking the cake.
yeah
Nobody else.
No, yeah, actually, you in Indian outfit first time I'm seeing you, Rolly. Actually, na, I've never seen you in an Indian outfit. Actually,
Because when we had shot for that wedding look,
yeah.
we had shot for that wedding scene.
The wedding look, yeah.
I think you were not there that night.
That time I was because it was you and
Yeah,
Ribhu
you were
shot, so I was not there.
Yeah, you were not there. So you actually
Then I
not
re-shot a bit of. Yeah.
Yeah. So that's why I think you've not seen because in the in the entire movie I was only wearing one outfit, jumpsuit.
Mostly, yeah. 70% of the film. 70% of the film was in that outfit.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So that's the reason.
Sir,
But I like wearing Indian. I actually like wearing Indian, but you don't have.
Tony,
many
let's talk
occasions.
more in Hindi. Let's talk more in Hindi. I feel we are
हाँ.
talking too much in English. Let's brush up our Hindi. Yeah. तो अब हम कोशिश करेंगे कि हम हिंदी में बात करें माशाल्लाह बहुत अच्छे लग रहे हो भाई शुक्रिया हाँ कुछ हिंदी में बात करते हैं यार
I said एक और workshop हिंदी का
हाँ एक और वर्कशॉप हिंदी का लस्सी का ग्लास कौन पिएगा someone commented that Rolly wants lassi
I'll have Oh, Sarah is here.
Yeah, Sarah was the first one who joined.
Oh my God, she's so sweet. Hi, Sarah. She's so sweet. She is. So everybody, Sarah is Faisal's biggest fan out here.
Yeah, she just joins in everything. She's made such a lovely picture of mine, and she wants to start one more. Yeah, I saw it. She showed it to me. It's called.
But is it complete? Is it complete, the portrait?
Is it complete? But it was little. Sarah थोड़ी बाकी थी ना वो post picture, but she might have completed it. Very little was left, but I could get the full picture shared.
Okay.
But she said she sent it somewhere.
I'm going to wait. मैं भी wait करूँगी सारा का पूरा full बनाने के लिए the full picture.
But it was very hard work and it was turning out very well.
I saw a little bit. बहुत अच्छा लगा.
I am your fan of you both, especially after Factory. आपने देखी Factory King Manchu? I am King Manchu. King Manchu आपने Factory देखी कहीं? Rolly ma'am is looking like ambulance.
Is that supposed to be a good thing?
But all this was there. मतलब ऐसे
Thank God for emojis. Thank God for emojis. Otherwise, she's looking like ambulance. I was like, huh?
That's a new one.
Hi Priya, thank you so much, Priya. Thank you. So actually, one of my friends, I think, just joined right now. Priya, Princess Priya, I call her.
Okay, she's your friend.
She's my friend, Princess Priya. Hi,
Oh,
Sarah. Thank you so much. Oh, somebody said Faisal that they watched it in Noida.
oh, they watched it in Noida, the movie.
Yes, yes,
Oh, that
yes.
was good. So they liked it, huh? That I think, yeah.
I'm guessing they started following us
बहुत
after
अच्छी
that.
है फैक्ट्री. जहाँ जिसने भी देखी है किंग मंशू, जिसने भी पिक्चर देखी है, हम लोग को तारीफ ही मिलती है. तो ज्यादातर मतलब 90%
That's
पीपल,
true.
यू एवरीवन यू डजंट लाइक एनी फिल्म. तो कुछ लोग तो हैं जो शायद नहीं पसंद करेंगे, लेकिन ज्यादातर लोगों को पसंद ही आ रही है. ऊपर वाले की कृपा है. थैंक्स. थैंक यू फैक्ट्री. नाइस.
That is
मिस्टर
true.
जॉन, हैज मिस्टर जॉन सीन इट? Suddenly people are saying that they've
Actually,
seen the Friday
Friday हो माला दारू पाइजे.
हाँ, आज फ्राइडे, लेकिन आज तो मत पियो यार, आज दशहरे का दिन है.
You're not doing justice to the song, Faisal, by saying that. and Vanshu is saying, I loved your performance. So that is so
Thank
sweet.
you.
There's so much love coming on this live.
और हम लोग जल्द हम लोग रिलीज करने वाले हैं महाराष्ट्र में भी, जब थिएटर खुल रहे हैं 22 को. सो वी आर प्लानिंग इट फुल्ली. रोली वी आर ट्राइंग वेरी हार्ड. एंड एक दो दिन में हमको जरूर पता चल जाएगा कि हम महाराष्ट्र में भी रिलीज कर रहे हैं और कैसे, कब, कितना, कहाँ कर रहे हैं. तो हम लोग फिर से ऑडियंस को आके बताएंगे यही प्लेटफॉर्म पे और दूसरे इंटरव्यूज में कि कहाँ कहाँ रिलीज हो रही है. एंड इनफैक्ट आई हैड अ मीटिंग, कल मैंने मीटिंग की थी मेरे डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर टीम के साथ, जो पैनोरामा है उनके साथ, और हमारे स्ट्रेटेजिस्ट के साथ, सनी बख्शी और मुरली के साथ. तो we were planning कि from 1st of November we should come on and book my show and other platforms. You know, every 15 days, 20 days we release everywhere something. So let our film be seen.
That'll be nice. Actually, Faisal, somebody is asking Factory 2 कब आ रही है?
Factory 2 देखें. Factory 2 या कुछ अलग कहानी. सर जरूर करना मूवी रिलीज. हाँ, समझ सिंह सर जरूर करना मूवी रिलीज. Friday was awesome song. So yeah, Friday or Rido is my favorite song. Rolly, which is your favorite song in the movie?
My favorite song has been yours. You know that.
Oh,
I love Ishq
Yeah, you-
Tera. You know, I love that
You
song.
say that.
And I don't just say that. I mean it, and I listen
No,
to
you
it.
have said that
literally.
earlier. Yeah.
I've said it. That's my favorite. After that is my second is that the Too Fast Slow.
Asha, Too Fast.
Then the second is my Too Fast Slow, and then see, I love Friday. It is just that my genre of music is more on the romantic side.
Side, right.
Yeah.
Yeah,
so
my
it's just
my genre
preference.
is more on the Basti side actually.
Then
Dhamal
how
and
did you
Basti.
sing such a romantic song then?
Shit, it was good or what? Actually, I tell you, I'm very bad at romance, Rolly.
But it was amazing. But the song was amazing.
I just try to put all feel into it, you know.
So see, when they say you're bad in romance, then then a person becomes a poet. He becomes a singer. He becomes a writer.
हाँ, दिल टूटता है ना. All the heartbreak is there.
And the heartbreaks make the best stories. That's what I genuinely believe in.
Yeah, right.
So that is how you could.
It was amazing indeed. So, yeah, thanks, Sarah. Thanks. हाँ यार, add me, sir. Sarah, लगता तुझे क्या बात है? Miss Merrily मैम के लिए rap लिखता. Oh, someone is writing a rap song for you.
What? Oh, that's
Yeah.
amazing. Thank you so much,
Song.
Nikhil. I'm waiting to hear it.
यार मुझे इस पिक्चर में, फैक्ट्री पिक्चर में ना, रोली, आई एम वेरी हैप्पी विद ऑल द स्टार कास्ट, यू नो, बिकॉज एवरीवन वर्कड हार्ड एंड दे वर रियली वेरी गुड. व्हेन पीपल विल सी द फिल्म स्लोली व्हेन इट्स रिलीज अलग अलग प्लेटफॉर्म पर जब लगेगी, तो फिर सब देखेंगे. मुझे बहुत, आई होप आई गेट दैट,
be able to watch it.
एंड आई
More
विश
people
आई
will be able to watch it.
हाँ, और ज्यादा लोग देखेंगे. और मतलब मेरी दिली ख्वाहिश है कि हर प्रोजेक्ट में अच्छे एक्टर्स मिले यार. बहुत मजा आएगा.
Yeah.
You know?
But that will happen, Faisal, because you are so amazing. Mariam is so amazing, and you always will land up getting the same type of people. You know, I feel that your positive mind attracts all the positive type of people. Our mind is a magnet. That's what I believe in.
You're right.
So the kind of your thoughts you put out, you get those people, and that's why when there were few times you did not like something, you know. You also moved ahead.
I moved ahead, yeah.
Let's
I moved
not
ahead.
work together.
Yeah. Right.
So so I'm sure it's going to be great. I'm too looking forward to
Yeah,
it.
because the
a
full
lot
team-
of other things.
Because while shooting while shooting any film, the atmosphere इतना अच्छा होना चाहिए ताकि मजा भी आए. You know, the way we enjoyed doing Factory together, it was a lovely time we had.
It
good
was a
moment.
lovely time. In fact, and it was
Festive,
it was a very grueling timing. मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि अगर everyone who's listening to us, we were I think shooting 18 hours a day.
We were shooting 16 hours, yeah, nearly, yeah.
16 to 18 hours ऐसे पर ऐसे लगता ही नहीं था.
We were shooting
ऐसे लगता
14
ही नहीं
to,
था कि वो shooting.
yeah, we were shooting around, I think 14 to 6, 14 to 6,
I am going to add my makeup time also.
हाँ, but yeah, that's what, नहीं, फिर वो शूटिंग तो खत्म होती थी 14 आवर्स में, बट मेकअप करना, मेकअप के बाद
मेकअप करना. अगर मेरा जैसे कॉल टाइम 8 बजे का होता था, तो I had to get up by 6. मेकअप 6:30 शुरू हो जाता था. So I'm counting all the timing that.
Yeah, you should. Yeah, it's work time. That's work time. Exactly. और दूसरी बात ये है कि मतलब मुझे तो अगले दिन की प्लानिंग करनी पड़ती थी. तो मैं अपने प्रोडक्शन टीम को पकड़ के और आर्ट डायरेक्टर और असिस्टेंट्स को पकड़ के दूध और टोस्ट खिलाता था, बटर के साथ. और फिर उनसे काम करवाता था. अगले दिन की प्लानिंग.
अगर आप लोग फैजल के साथ काम करोगे तो forget your sleep.
No, but you'll enjoy also.
No, enjoyment is there. That's the reason I feel you can forget your sleep only if you're enjoying something.
Yeah, right. It's a very memorable moment, very memorable film for me, Factory, all of y'all and everyone joining, all the lovely moments. Sometimes I just think, मैं सोचता हूँ कभी-कभी बैठ के अकेले में कि कितना कैसे बन गई यार, ऊपर जैसे बन गई अब, after बन गई और रिलीज हो गई, you just wonder कि all the effort वो कैसे बना दिया, at that point इतना जब बना रहे होते हैं पिक्चर और जब मेकिंग चल रही होती है तो कितना मतलब टेंशन होता है और एक्साइटमेंट होता है और you want to give your best.
That is true. That is true.
अच्छा.
And also I feel कि जब हम वो फैक्ट्री में जो शूट कर रहे थे ना, उसका that aura and that ambience was very good and very different.
Yeah. Watch your interviews very telling. Yeah.
Sorry.
हमारे पास आएगी पाकिस्तान में तो शायद नहीं आएगी पिक्चर सर, मतलब क्योंकि वो अभी तो पता नहीं, वो इंडिया पाकिस्तान के रिलेशनशिप्स भी वो कभी अच्छे हैं कभी बुरे हैं, तो आई डोंट नो वेदर इट विल रिलीज इन पाकिस्तान. आई डोंट नो राइट नाउ पाकिस्तान में कब आएगी. अली पनवन कोशिश करेंगे, देखिए पाकिस्तान में, लेकिन अगर ओटीटी प्लेटफॉर्म है तो आएगी. ओटीटी पर भी हम लोग शायद इस लॉट में नहीं आएंगे क्योंकि कुछ काफी ओटीटी ने खरीद ली है बड़ी पिक्चर है, तो हमारा शायद नेक्स्ट लॉट में आएगा पिक्चर.
So when you say next lot, what is?
क्या होता है ना, मैं फैंस को भी बता रहा हूँ, रोली को भी, हाय असमीज, हाउ आर यू. क्या होता है कि मतलब दे हैव अ अमाउंट व्हिच दे कैन स्पेंड ऑन फिल्म्स एंड ऑन वेब सीरीज, ऐसा होता है.
Okay.
तो जब वो एग्जॉस्ट हो जाता है क्योंकि बड़ी पिक्चर में दे पे एक्स्ट्रा मनी एंड दे टेक इट एंड ऑल दैट, सो वंस दैट मनी इज एग्जॉस्टेड, देन फॉर द नेक्स्ट ईयर द न्यू अलॉटमेंट कम्स कि फिर से इतना पैसा डालेंगे वो लोग, इन्वेस्ट करेंगे पिक्चर खरीदने में. So then maybe a picture will be taken on, hopefully.
Oh, nice.
But it's coming on Book My Show and some Google app and something which will inform the people.
Oh, so Book My Show is for booking tickets online, or is it just?
You can watch films also over there.
Oh wow! I did not know that.
Yeah, that you can. That's what will make people aware also.
So amazing. That is, I think, a new concept they have come up with. Then.
Yeah, and all the big films. Very nice. Even the Hollywood films. Even the Hollywood films. Hi, someone is telling you hi. Pratyush Banerjee, hi.
Hi, Pratyush. Oh, that's exciting then. Have you noticed something, Faisal? Last month, जब theaters खुले, Factory was one of the first movies to be there. और अब अगर बॉम्बे में खुलेंगे and if releases again, Factory will be one of the first movies to release in the theater.
Factory theater में भी पहली होगी.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Yeah. Even I know, जब पहले बार खुले तब भी और इस बार अब भी.
Really, you're looking so different. Mohammad Farki, Jan joined.
Oh. I know Indian man makeup tends to do that.
Someone is asking you a question, ma'am, आप कहाँ से हो?
Oh, I'm from Mumbai.
मुंबई से हैं ये. मुंबई में. You were born also in Mumbai only, Rolly?
No, I was not born in Mumbai. Actually, my dad was in the army.
Right.
So I was born in. Wow, I think Assam. I was born in Assam. I think somewhere, I don't know.
Agra.
Because when my dad was posted, वहाँ पे I was born, and then we traveled a lot. मैंने बहुत travel किया. But Bombay में we have been here since about 25 years now. So
that's.
Yeah.
And you studied in Bombay. You studied in Bombay.
I completed my entire schooling and college in Bombay. Entire education. Yeah. So it's but now I don't think of myself as a non-Mumbaiite. I have a
No.
domicile of Maharashtra also. I am fully- Oh God. Thank
real
you, Pratyush. I think there's I am Manshu saying, please read my request, sir. He's asking you to read some requests.
Read some
Feather,
requests. Who's
Manshu.
that?
Yeah.
Manchu.
I am King Manshu is asking you to read some request.
One sec.
I think he'll have to send the request again, Manshu, because I think it's gone pura upar upar.
It's gone pura upar upar.
Yeah.
I don't know where to get it. So why so white? White on this. White is pure. White तो प्योर होता है और उसमें कुछ काम भी है सिल्वर का शायद सिल्वर के कुछ काम है.
Someone is saying looking handsome like always, Faisal sir.
Oh wow,
And
thank
factory and क्या था happy Dussehra to all of you from Australia.
you.
Oh,
Australia.
how sweet.
Jeffrey from
Australia.
Hi Jeffrey.
You know,
अच्छा, you can go and read
आपने
that.
notice किया Faisal, after the movie, a lot of people from a different part of the world have been like joining and saying that they have watched the film or they have enjoyed it or they have heard about it.
Yeah,
It's
right.
not just India.
Yeah.
In fact, Australia, अभी तो Australia से Dubai, UK, lot of people from all over the part of the world and even from Pakistan. A lot.
Yeah, from all over the world. All over the world. मैं
From all
हैदराबाद
over the world.
की खान मैं हैदराबाद sir last time you didn't accept my क्या
Oh, I think somebody wants to
Yes,
accept the request for to come in the video. Sir, हिंदी में बात करो ना.
हाँ
Sorry.
हिंदी में बात करो हिंदी में बात करो
Yes. हिंदी में.
हिंदी में बात करिए. सलाम फैसल सर वालेकुम. दुबई के कैसे देख सकते हैं तो जब बुक माई शो में आएगी तो पूरी दुनिया में यू कैन सी इट. यू नो इफ यू हैव द बुक माई शो ऐप इट्स एन ऐप आई थिंक. तो अगर आपके पास दुबई में है चाहे आप कोई भी देश में है अगर आपके पास वो ऐप डाउनलोडेड है तो आप उसमें जाके देख सकते हैं या कोई गूगल ऐप है या जो भी ऐप्स हैं तो उसमें आपको दिखेगी हमारी पिक्चर फैक्ट्री. और फिर बाद में
OTT पे आ जाएगी तो आई थिंक
और फिर एक बार OTT पे आ जाएगी तो और भी एक्सपोजर मिलेगा. Dude joined. Rajiv Manish joined. Hi Rajiv. Happy Dussehra to everyone. फैंस ने मतलब जो फ्रेंड्स हैं हमारे फ्रेंड्स ही कहूंगा मैं इनको तो इन लोग ने कैसे एंजॉय किया है. आज कोई स्पेशल मोमेंट्स बताइए आप लोग. लव यू भोपाल MP से भोपाल. हाँ. Who's that from Bhopal?
There's a lot of Hatim is saying love you Faisal bhai Bhopal में से.
हाँ. Love you.
Someone is saying sir I want to see you in new movies.
I still need factory DVD. What is this? Who said that? Sarah said something about this. I still need factory as a DVD. I still need. अच्छा. वो तो बाद में शायद DVD पर भी आएगी. इंग्लिश में करो सॉरी बार. इंग्लिश अरे यार कोई बोल रहा है इंग्लिश में बोल रहा है हिंदी सर. I want to see न्यू. हाँ न्यू मूवीज में भी काम करेंगे इंशाल्लाह सही वक्त पे वो भी बताया जाएगा. सब काम चल रहा है. OTT रिलीज यस OTT रिलीज भी होगी क्योंकि उन लोग का मनी जो उन लोग का नेक्स्ट अलॉटमेंट होगा तो उसमें भी इंशाल्लाह OTT पर भी रिलीज करेंगे. मुंबई में कहाँ रहते हो सर? मुंबई में
actually everybody is waiting a lot Faisal.
Yeah no and हाँ OTT everyone is waiting a lot.
Actually मेरे वो YouTube पे भी बहुत मैसेजेस आते हैं. They are always asking कि कब हो रही है OTT पे रिलीज.
Unfortunately, I'll just say one small thing again. Like the star system is pulling us back. You know, it's not a good thing that is happening because हमारे पास बड़े stars नहीं तो बोलते हैं कि stars नहीं है तो हम OTT पे थोड़ा ऐसे करेंगे. मतलब लेकिन देखेंगे सैटेलाइट पे भी जाएगी टीवी पर भी पूरी कोशिश की जाएगी कि हर जगह लगे फैक्ट्री. और अभी हम पे जाएंगे. हेलो.
How sweet somebody.
Your fan Sayyab.
Tess has said कि best जोड़ी of 2021.
Oh wow. अच्छा Tess.
Wow.
Thanks Tess. Thanks Tess.
Oh, there's love from Turkey. Faisal, somebody from Turkey has messaged.
अच्छा टर्की से भी. हाँ. Thank you so much.
Subharan great web series पे आओ love from Turkey.
हाँ जो भी काम अभी हम लोग रोली भी हर तरीके और मैं भी हर तरीके के काम करना चाहेंगे है ना रोली. चाहे वो वेब सीरीज हो you should exploit your full talent you know चाहे वो कोई भी anything good कोई भी अच्छा रोल आए तो हम लोग करेंगे. रोली भी करेगी मैं भी करूँगा जो भी प्लेटफॉर्म पे होगा.
I feel कि work doesn't stop in just one You know,
Yeah,
so
yeah.
we can explore so many different
In
avenues
fact,
and work.
in fact, we might be making some short films also, really,
Yeah,
which
yeah.
we will all be a part of, hopefully.
Thank you. I was just waiting. It's like you've
Why
been
not?
waiting
Yeah,
for your
because
short film.
yeah, I think I'll make some short films. We won't wait for any. We'll
Yeah,
start work. You know, whatever. Whether you shoot a song and release it or Love from
yeah.
Assam, the Assamese. Hi, the Assamese. The Assamese is also a very ardent follower of mine. Salam
Jeffrey saying
Faisal,
that's
very good to see you
wonderful
after so long.
news.
Your cousin from London, hopefully. All keeping well. Cousin from London. नाम नहीं बता. Just
Cousin from London का नाम नहीं पता.
well, नहीं उन्होंने बताया ही नहीं. There's so many people all over the world, so I don't know who's that. Anyway, last time you accepted a request. This is not a. अरे यार एक
Actually, reading
Jeffrey, what a
messages
wonderful
and
news you're
talking.
factory. Really looking forward to it. Yeah, Jeffrey, definitely we'll try and release factory जहाँ भी हो सके. सर मूवी सर सर मूवी में तो जोड़ी आपकी अच्छी लग रही है थी. रियल में करना चाहिए. जोड़ी आपकी अच्छी है बहुत. Oh, they're asking us to get married or something.
Right now, no, yeah. What marriage and all.
Yeah, if you just work hard, yeah. Marriage.
There's like real and then there's like the real life. You know
Yeah,
how it
true.
is? Yeah.
Yeah, it's a
So,
personal choice. Everyone has a personal choice when to get married and कब शादी
yeah,
करना.
yeah, true.
Leave that to
True.
that and to whom to get married to.
Exactly. But it's really sweet. So many messages are coming. Sir,
Yeah.
आप भी अपना YouTube channel start करो. हाँ, Faisal, you should really come on YouTube now.
हाँ, मैं YouTube भी करूँगा चैनल. मैं स्टार्ट कर रहा हूँ. तो इसलिए हम लोग YouTube पर भी छोटी छोटी फिल्में बनाएंगे, कुछ करेंगे, कुछ कॉन्स्टेंटली कुछ सोचेंगे अलग अलग तरीके से कैसे हम लोग कुछ काम करें या दिखाई दें या बातचीत करें. तो
Because
करेंगे.
if you see अपना YouTube channel पे the Factory movie का जो the channel page is there are a lot of people who are actually subscribed to that.
Yeah.
The Factory.
The page.
I mean,
Yeah,
I
the
hope
Factory
all
page.
of you are also subscribed to it. A lot of people are subscribed
Yeah,
on
yeah.
YouTube.
Yeah.
So that's good.
That's
And
good.
the songs have hit millions of views.
Yeah, that was songs. हाँ, songs हम लोग को बहुत अच्छे मिल गए पिक्चर में. तो
Yeah.
वो बहुत अच्छी बात हो गई. ये क्या
I
है?
think all the songs, Faisal, on YouTube have hit like millions.
शर्मा जी. हाँ यार दे और यस शर्मा जी जरूर YouTube चैनल भी बनाएंगे और उस पर एक बना हुआ तो है ही फैक्ट्री का YouTube चैनल जहाँ हमने इंटरव्यूज भी दिए हैं, अपने गाने भी रिलीज किए हैं, ट्रेलर रिलीज किया है. तो वो भी मैं why am I feeling hot यार?
It is today very hot today.
मेरा एसी भी कम पे था यार. किसने गड़बड़ कर दी. खैर.
Thank you. Mona is saying there's lots of love to you from Auckland, New Zealand. Hi, Mona.
Okay.
Thank you.
Hi Mona, thank you.
Oh, Himanshu is here. Hi,
What about
Himanshu.
your future projects? Future projects, who's asked about future projects? What about Murtaza, हम लोग आगे भी काम प्लानिंग कर रहे हैं कि कुछ ना कुछ शुरू की जाए, चाहे वो छोटा हो बड़ा हो, लेकिन हम दिखें, कुछ काम करें. तो कुछ फिल्म्स मैंने लिखी भी हैं जो मैं अप्रोच करूंगा प्रोड्यूसर्स को या कोई मुझे अप्रोच करेगा तो वो भी बनाई जाएंगी. लेकिन सिर्फ फिल्म नहीं, क्योंकि फिल्म क्या होता है 1.5 साल लग जाते हैं बनाने में. तो मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि कुछ शॉर्ट फिल्म्स, कुछ गाने, कुछ रिकॉर्ड करके कुछ भी मैं आता रहूँ, ऐसे कुछ बनाता रहूँ. तो
Faisal, Alpin is saying your आवाज कम लग रही है.
अच्छा आवाज कम है.
पर मेरे को तो ठीक लग रही है, but I think he's saying कि आवाज कम. Hi Vinita, thank you Vinny. My soulmate, my best friend is
She's
here.
your best friend, huh?
She's my soulmate.
You often
Always that she is here.
Acha, tell Vinita. I've heard so much about her.
Yeah, see Vinny, I do talk
Because
about
Rolly speaks of her quite often. Rolly talks a lot about Vinita.
Yeah, so even she is
That's
here.
it. Yeah.
Someone is telling you to do action movie.
Action actually, I started off with action roles, Rolly.
Yeah, in Mela.
But even in this film, I didn't fight much, but otherwise, in the past, I've done a lot of action films.
lot of
Pasti,
action.
Kabu, and all action films. Mela also was somewhere action.
Mela was also a lot of action.
Yeah, a lot
On
of
the
action.
truck, you all used
Even
to,
in
yeah.
even in Madhosh and all, I've trained for action, so I like doing action a lot. So
In fact,
of course
you
I will do
used to.
action.
I mean, we had action director, of course, in our movie, but you know, used to always tell me a lot about action when we were doing
Ah,
it.
how to do it also.
I did not know how to do action, and guys, everybody, Faisal helped me so much. Itna he helped me to do the action, and we had an amazing action director, but without Faisal, I don't think I would have been able to
And this was the
do the
first time.
action nicely.
पहली बार रोली ने भी एक्शन किया था, है ना? It was like a
Yes,
new
it was the
experience
first
for
time.
you to fall down. Yeah, because क्या होता है, आपको गिरना भी पड़ता है, कुछ reactions भी लेने पड़ते हैं, दूसरे आदमी को blow भी मारना है या कोई डंडा मारना है, so you should not hurt the person ahead, you know, in front. So you have to be careful. No, nothing like that. So you are good, Rory. You are very good for the first time.
I hurt you on your cheek.
Once, but that rod. See, but you have to संभालना पड़ता है ना? Action.
Yes, of course. Yeah, and you were very sweet to not say anything to me at that time. But you know, it's not hitting. It's
No, you are in your Josh now. You have to take out all your badla in the film. So you came and attacked.
you know, Abhi, Faisal, when
All-
everybody gets to
Rolly
see the
ने-
film, they
Rolly
will know
ने-
what are we talking about.
रोली ने पूरी कसर, जो मैंने रोली को टॉर्चर किया था वर्कशॉप्स में, रोली ने पूरी कसर उतारी मेरे एक्शन में. मुझे खूब मारा उसने, रोली ने.
That was the good kind of torture. That was the good kind of torture. मैं तो वो torture हर बार करने वाली हूँ. I'm always going to make sure ये torture हमेशा हो. It's the best torture in the world.
Yeah, workshops were good. Workshops were nice.
I actually miss all that, you know, now.
Yeah,
I mean,
just because
I mean, the
Because we
movie
ha-
releasing,
we had such a nice time, so we remember
Yeah.
the good times. You know?
yeah. See,
And
of
we
course,
remember it all
everybody
our life.
wants ki movie release ho. Everybody wants that. And this is the
Test
first
rec-
movie that's released.
USA, हाँ, everyone wants movie लगे.
But I actually miss I miss our workshops. I miss, like, you know, coming to your house with Mariam, sitting in the room. I miss all that. I
Yeah,
think this was great.
We will start somewhere again. We'll start again. We'll start soon. Some other projects.
आप
क्या हो रहा है ना,
दोनों
ये project-
हद से ज्यादा स्मार्ट. ओ समरी सिंह, आप दोनों हद से ज्यादा स्मार्ट और खूबसूरत हो.
भाई शुक्रिया.
हद से ज्यादा.
अच्छी ज़्यादा शुक्रिया.
Sweet.
शुक्रिया.
Thank you.
Shoot, not short movie. I think. Yeah, not short movie. I think.
Thank you, Narendra. Thank you so much.
Thank you. कौन है ये? तो दशहरा का कैसा रहा सबका? कोई बताए कोई दशहरा में? सर मैंने काफी अच्छे सॉन्ग लिखे हैं. अच्छा, चाहता हूँ कि आप उनकी देखिए. जब सॉन्ग की जरूरत होगी तो जरूर आपको कांटेक्ट किया जाएगा, या इंटरव्यूज के द्वारा, या कैसे कि हम सॉन्ग चाहिए तो फिर आप आके कैसे हम लोग कनेक्ट करेंगे और सॉन्ग लेंगे. सर कैन यू प्लीज सिंग इश्क तेरा पल रहा फ्रॉम रेक्स. टेस्ट इश्क तेरा पल रहा मेरे दिलों जान में, चेहरा तेरा रूबरू हर ख्वाब हर बात में. That was for Tess.
It was amazing. I love this song.
मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि मैं थोड़ा सिंगिंग क्लासेस फिर से शुरू करूँ.
You should actually. But I don't think you need singing classes.
नहीं,
It was
you
sounding
need
amazing.
नहीं, you need it.
Because you keep growing, right?
Yeah, you keep growing.
Like,
yeah.
yeah.
मतलब you have to
That is
improve. You have to keep improving on the things.
That is true. Hi, sorry, Seema. Seema is very upset. She's like, please somebody read my comments. Sorry,
No.
Seema, your comments have gone way up.
Really, I'll. Sir, do you think you will get nominated for best debut? नहीं यार, अभी debut तो मेरा मधोश की टाइम हो गया. Relaunch, so the relaunch, so the debut test. तो
Have you taken any formal training in acting, Pal? नहीं Pal, I've not taken any formal training. पर क्या होता है ना, वो करते करते थोड़ा बहुत आ जाता है. And पर मेरी सबसे ज्यादा ट्रेनिंग तो फैजल के साथ ही हुई जब मैं वर्कशॉप की. Honestly, वो the best ट्रेनिंग थी और I think वही करना चाहिए सबको.
हाँ, जो भी काम मिले, प्रोजेक्ट्स मिले, जो भी कोई एक्टर होंगे या तो देख रहे होंगे, तो I would just suggest that do good workshops and just mark up your lines and then everything flows, you know. Then
Correct,
just join your
correct.
movements to it and everything flows.
करेक्ट आई थिंक वंस यू नो योर लाइंस बिकॉज फैजल ने मुझे बहुत अच्छी बात समझाई जो मैं कभी पहले करती नहीं थी ही सजेस्ट अगर आपको आपकी लाइंस पता है तो आपको फिर वो आपकी लाइन की टेंशन निकल जाती है
Half the
and then you
battle.
can just concentrate. Half the battle is won, and then you can just concentrate
And
on
then
that
like
pressure.
and then we did the blocking na Rolly, the blocking on the terrace जो action so
Yeah.
lines तो हो गई फिर terrace
Yeah.
पे जाके blocking तो actions भी हो गए और emotions भी आ
Exactly.
गए उसमें तो then that's it, that's acting.
Then that's it.
Your lines, acting and emotions, and that's it.
Exactly. So that really helped. And thank you so much, Pratyush. Rolly should get best debut award.
Seema Rai
I-
Dubey. Seema Rai Dubey, please don't you at least read my comments also. Arey, where is Seema? Don't leave.
Seema was very irritated before
Seema.
also. She was saying
Where
that
she?
you all are not reading.
सर
think
मैंने
Seema is
दशहरा
gone.
में होली खेली टेस्ट ने ओ व्हाट इज सर दशहरा यहाँ पर पाकिस्तान में नहीं
No one is replying. Sorry, Manshu. Hi. What
Looking
is
so
your
great,
question?
Lord.
आपका क्या question है?
थैंक यू लव फॉर सम
You know, have you
सर
noticed?
फैक्ट्री मूवी का बजट कितना थी और अर्निंग नहीं बजट तो काफी था 4 करोड़ के करीब था अर्निंग तो अभी शुरू होगी होपफुली जहाँ से भी आएंगे अलग अलग राइट्स बिकेंगे तो होगी सर हैव यू वॉच सुल्तान सुलेमान सीरीज नहीं आई हैव नॉट वॉच सुल्तान सुलेमान औरंगजेब का कैरेक्टर आप पे बहुत सूट होता है टर्की के राइटर इस पे काम ओह अच्छा नहीं आई हैव नॉट वॉच सुल्तान सुलेमान आई लव यू सो मच सर थैंक यू अली क्या हो रहा है यार
So next, there actually क्या हो रहा है ना कि a lot of questions are coming and they all are going up.
yes
They all are going up. Samri is saying,
take singing classes
Salam Faisal. Hi and hi Rolly. Hi Isham. Hi Isham. Hi mom.
अच्छा mom right
Mom just came, yeah.
oh how sweet hello hi
Yeah,
hi
she
Meena
just
ji how are you
She's saying hi Rolly, hi Faisal.
hi Meena ji how are you
I taught
See.
mom how to do Instagram and everything.
nice you will have to learn yeah
You already learned. You
Little bit.
accepted my request on Instagram Live.
Really?
मेरे को यही लग रहा था. I was like, I hope Faisal, will know to take my
Nee, but
Instagram.
I was struggling literally. I was literally struggling, and I was.
I was there. I saw you were struggling. Then you
Yeah.
called up Akriti.
Because yeah, it was the first time, ना यार ये पहली बार
Yeah,
मैं ऐसा
yeah.
कर रहा हूँ तो एक दो बार कर लेंगे तो I'll be. Now I'm getting better
Yeah.
at it.
Yeah. Now you're getting much better. पहले तो I don't think पहले you would even have started a live on your own.
No, I wouldn't have.
Yeah.
I wouldn't have.
So yeah. No, it's nice.
Rolly should get best debut award. Pratyush Banerjee. Hopefully.
Thank you.
Why not?
Thank you, Pratyush.
Yeah, Rolly can get best debut award. She should. She's worked hard and she's done well in the film.
And it would actually be such a privilege to get the best debut award for Factory because I feel कि I couldn't have done a better job. So I think कि हाँ दे दो मेरे को ये debut award. I'll be very happy.
What is this?
Sorry, nobody is replying, sending messages. Sorry, Manshu, but I don't know
I
what
will
is your
get the
question.
result in 2 weeks. I'm scared. No, Sarah, don't be scared. Sarah is getting her exam results in 2 weeks. Hopefully, you do well, and that will be good.
Best of luck for
Please
your
go
exam,
well.
Sarah.
Yeah, she's given the exam. The results are coming out in 2 weeks.
That's the
All the
scariest,
best.
when the results are coming out.
Mahesh.
Actually क्या होता है Instagram पे ना तो
None is replying to me.
चले
I am King Manchu. None is replying to me. कहाँ है King Manchu के questions कहाँ है यार?
Hi,
I am-
Tayab. Faisal, even Tayab is here. He used to come see our movie shoot Vapi में when we used to be shooting in the factory.
Oh.
I don't know if you remember, पर वो लोग हर दिन आते थे. I think
हाँ हर
Shado
दिन
was
आते थे.
हर दिन आते थे एक group हर दिन आता था देखने के लिए.
Yeah. हर
So
दिन.
हाँ
He's
वो
from
Tayab
Vancouver.
is here.
Tayyab is
Yes.
Shaka Bai's son.
Shaka, yes, Shaka.
The
Bhai.
tall
The
Shaka
tall.
Bai.
Yes.
Shaka.
Now I remember Shaka. Yeah.
Shaka Bai.
Hi, Saib is from Assam. Hi, Saib. Hi.
Assam is supposed to be a very beautiful place, by the way. You should shoot.
Very, very pretty.
I was supposed to shoot a film in Shillong, but it didn't happen. Danger, in fact, Danger Red was supposed to be shot in Shillong, लेकिन फिर उसको बदल के उन्होंने कुर्ग में कर लिया, तो वी वेंट टू कुर्ग.
When is Danger releasing?
डेंजर
Any
है, इट इज
idea?
रेडी. आई मीन आई थिंक इट्स देयर कुछ पोस्ट बाकी था, थोड़ा कुछ एक महीना काम बाकी था. तो हाय मीना जी, हाय रोली एंड फैसल, हाय मीना जी. तो पोस्ट बाकी था तो खत्म हो जाएगा, दे विल रिलीज इट.
Right.
हाय
Oh,
रोली
nice.
मैम, तैयब खान.
Hi. So it's the same, no? Tayyab from Vapi. Very great film factory. Oh, Tayyab actually saw the film in Vapi.
ओ वाओ.
Yeah.
Yeah, I had released. I had requested my distributors के वापी में जरूर रखें एक थिएटर में शो, so they had kept show, so people might have watched it in वापी.
Oh, so Manshu ka message has come. Faisal, it's for you. He's saying I'm into content creator. I'm a content creator.
Oh, Himanshu. He's the same
Manshu. Yeah, Manshu. I think that is what he was saying.
हाँ.
Thank you, Pratyush. You love the makeup? Okay, great. I did this makeup just for the live. It's like थोड़ा बहुत makeup कर ही लूँ मैं.
And fine, I go to the market. Your mom had gone to the market.
She had gone to buy some jewelry on the Shera.
Oh, no, nice. That's okay.
So that's why she got late for the live. Can you believe it? Because she's gone to buy jewelry. Mom. And she's sending me pictures from there. Really, do you like this? Do you like the ring? I'm like, Mom, I'm getting ready for the live and you're sending me pictures.
How sweet.
It's so nice to see Jean out here. So there's this Jean Michael. Actually, he's so sweet. He sends such nice messages on my comments, and I'm always looking forward to his messages on my pictures. Hi,
Oh,
Jean.
Jean.
Faisal bhai, have you ever come Mulund side?
मुलुंड में मैं गया नहीं हूँ काफी टाइम से. मैं गया था काफी साल पहले, बहुत टाइम हो गया मुलुंड में, तो नॉट बीन टू मुलुंड ऑफ लेट.
Not been to.
मोहम्मद असीम क्या. हाय सर, आई एम तैयब. हाँ तैयब, कैसे हो भाई?
Kapil is saying, hi sir, I'm Kapil from Gujarat. Ka River. I think it's fully gone now. I can't read only. Kapil. And there's somebody from Vancouver also who's joined in.
Oh, Vancouver.
I'm telling you, Faisal, it's like literally all over the world.
हाँ, factory का I don't know, factory got this amazing publicity because of the interviews,
Yes.
because of whatever we've
Yes.
spoken. So it's really in the talks, and that's also, I don't know how that happened. That's just God willing, कि ऐसा हो गया.
ऐसा हो गया because
News
I'm
दे रहे
quite
थे.
surprised all over the world. Like
It's got
one would think, chalo theek hai, India. So it's got such great response, and also
Tayyab
because of
Khan, very great film factory. Thank you Tayyab. शुक्रिया कि आपको पसंद आई.
Tayyab's very sweet, yeah. He actually went and saw it. Sir, आप Big Boss में कब आओगे?
मैं just for me?
Yes, it was for you.
नहीं यार, बिग बॉस पे मत बुलाओ मुझे प्लीज. मैं थोड़ा शांत आदमी हूँ, कभी कभी किसी पे गुस्सा हो जाता हूँ, लेकिन ज्यादा मैं शांति हूँ. बिग बॉस पे कौन लड़ाई
But actually, now that I think of it, Faisal, I wonder how would you be on Big Boss?
I would just be smiling at everyone and having a cup of tea. I would be having a lot of chai.
This will be the problem. You'll be thrown out because of there's such limited ration in Big Boss.
सब चाय खत्म हो जाएगी. मैं चाय बहुत पीता हूँ.
In the earlier Big Boss, I saw somebody used to hide tea, and I used to wonder कि tea को कौन hide करेगा? Right? It's tea. Now I know. If you go, you also might be hiding tea.
हाँ. Pratyush Banerjee, he's saying, Rolly, you look so beautiful.
Thank you.
Are you actually like this or it's makeup? No,
It's
she's
makeup.
actually beautiful. No, it's actually beautiful. She's lying.
How sweet, Faisal. No, thank you. I mean, it is also makeup. I will not lie. But it's okay.
Rolly,
I went somewhere. I went somewhere day before yesterday, and some auntie is like, she's done a movie, and the other auntie looks and she did a movie.
नहीं यार, he's underplaying.
No, but it's nice. But I mean, I like makeup. I enjoy it, so I'm okay with it.
रोली को हमने लिया इसलिए क्योंकि वो खूबसूरत है और फिल्म में खूबसूरत लड़की चाहिए थी. वो है ना कैरेक्टर. He goes all head over heels over you, the character. रोली
that's
खूबसूरत
true.
नहीं होती तो राउंड पिटेगा. She fits the character.
How sweet, Faisal. Thank you so much.
फैसल भाई, have you ever
Somebody,
come to बुलंद साइड? ना बहुत टाइम हो गया भाई. कौन है ये बुलंद में? बहुत बहुत टाइम हो गया बुलंद को आके.
Acha, he asked you again, Mulun.
Yeah.
Sir, I want to know Roli. Ye is MUA. What is that?
MUA.
MUA?
Sir, I'm Kapil from
You,
Gujarat.
what is MUA?
He's
MUA is
a,
like
hello,
contract,
driver.
no?
Kapil from Gujarat. He drove a car. He's saying in the film.
Oh my God, how sweet. Hi,
इतना
Kapil.
मजा आया था. Hi Kapil. Hi Kapil. I hope
Really?
आपको कभी भी अच्छे अच्छे लोग मिलते हैं. सवारी अच्छी मिलती होगी. फैसल भाई मेला
But
का
we
कोई
also had.
अरे यार
Roli,
मैं
ma'am,
मेला.
what's the secret of your fitness? Eat healthy, work out. That's it. Only two things. God has nothing. I actually enjoy eating healthy, so it's not much of a problem.
Yeah. Should eat.
Both of you do one more movie. Yes.
We'll do hopefully many more movies. Why only one? है ना? We should.
See, my director is sitting right here, guys. I cannot say anything. He'll tell me, Rolly, we'll do another movie. First thing I'll be doing packing my bag. Oh, ma'am, MUA is makeup artist. Of course. Yes. So, I knew that there's some word. Okay, got it. MUA is a makeup artist.
That's a makeup artist.
Yes. Please tell me about who is your MUA. In the movie, my MUA.
His name was Hussein Chishti. Hussein Bhai.
In the movie, it was Hussein Bhai, and I do not have a personal MUA. Yeah, I do my own makeup. Thoda bahut I do my basic stuff. But movie mein was Hussein, and he's an amazing makeup artist. Faisal, you got an amazing makeup artist, really.
We got even for myself. I got the.
Even
They're
for-
brothers.
They're brothers.
Altaf and
Yeah.
Ejaz.
Yeah.
Ejaz.
Yeah, they are brothers. And Hussein
Param
is
factory
just...
is really good. Who is this factory? Is Param Wabli. Param Wabli. Factory is really good. Thank you, Param. Faisal, please.
It's actually one of the best films.
हो लेकिन मैं आपकी हीरोइन का दीवाना हूँ. अरे मैं क्यों बुरा मानूं यार. हेलो आज Pratyush is head over heels for you.
Oh my God, thank you, Pratyush. It feels so nice.
मैं नहीं बुरा मानूंगा यार. मुझे अच्छा है कि मेरे इतनी अच्छी हीरोइन को मैंने इंट्रोड्यूस किया. उसका तो सर would love to see you on Bari. नहीं, Tess not Big Boss. Tess wants me to go to Big Boss. Oh God.
Faisal, somebody is asking who was the art director in Factory movie.
Nazir Sheikh.
Nazir
Sheikh art director थे. उनकी टीम थी. Nazir Sheikh.
Somebody saying, okay, Tess, the same one from Australia, saying, sir, I think you are the Nagris and Raj Kapoor of our generation. Wow. Pratyush.
एक हम लोग ने गाना जरूर गाया था. टेस, राज कपूर और नरगिस का प्यार हुआ इकरार हुआ. Remember with that song, the scene?
We did. Yeah. We used to sing.
And,
I'll tell you, Faisal, I used to have a lot of jijak while singing. Or your movie
you sang well. Yeah, you sang well.
No, thank you. I sang well, but I'm not a singer. And when we did that scene in which I had to sing, I was very nervous. During the workshop also, I was like, oh my God, singing. But then it was nice.
You got over it. I think it was just that
I got over it. Yeah. But
so,
my dad, he was my dad, Nasir Sheikh. Okay. Oh, so the art director's son is here, I think. Akhil Sheikh. Yeah, Akhil. He said he was my dad.
He did a wonderful job. Nazir Bhai also did. He's a very nice human being. Nazir Bhai जो हमारे आर्ट डायरेक्टर है बहुत ही अच्छे इंसान है. और मुझे मैं बहुत लकी था एज अ डायरेक्टर के इतनी अच्छी टीम, टेक्निकल टीम भी मिली, एक्टर्स भी बहुत अच्छे मिले, तो एक अच्छी फिल्म बन पाई. दिल से फिल्म बनाई. सब टेक्नीशियंस ने दिल से काम किया. सर थोड़ा मराठी में कुछ बोल दो एक बार. तुझा नाव काय आहे अमित?
There's somebody from Turkey. Suha and Great Turkey के दोस्त सलाम करते हैं आपको. How sweet. Faisal?
हाँ, वालेकुम सलाम.
From Turkey, people are doing salam.
वालेकुम सलाम. Amrita, how do you manage eating healthy and shoot schedules? Amrita, shooting पे थोड़ा एक्चुअली मेरा जो खाना है वो हर 2 घंटे पे मैं डाइट फॉलो करता हूँ, तो लाइट लाइट खाना खाता हूँ, लेकिन शूटिंग पे अनफॉर्चुनेटली इतना नहीं हो पाता है, लेकिन फिर भी कुछ बिस्किट खा लिया, चाय पी लिया, ऐसे कुछ चलते रहता है, तो वी ट्राई एंड मैनेज आवर बेस्ट।
Our
शूटिंग में तो मुश्किल हो जाती है, लेकिन फिर भी हाँ,
our
you said
food was, and especially when the food is so yummy, shooting pe, khana was so good.
खाना was good, yeah, and we ate good veg food mostly.
We had, it was veg only, no? Because
Yeah,
of,
yeah, it was veg food.
it was veg, right?
Yeah, it was veg food. You are veg, so then you
I'm
said
veg.
Ali is only veg. You put the full
It
unit
was,
on veg.
it was not, it was hindi. I think it was the place where we were shooting. They,
नहीं
see
नहीं,
the
हाँ,
area,
even the
no?
factory people, yeah,
Even the
factory people
factory
also wanted
people,
the veg
yeah.
food to be served. Yeah,
Yeah,
those-
but if it was also because of me, then amazing. Thank you. But amazing food, and there was amazing snacks we used to get like full time. So it's a bit
Yeah.
gets a bit difficult, being on a diet when shooting. Upar se because
TV.
it's so tiring.
Yeah.
You need energy to really keep going.
चंदसानी वालेकुम अस्सलाम। थोड़ा
सर
मराठी
हिंदी में
में
बात
बोलो।
करें प्लीज.
कोई बोल रहा है मराठी में,
खान सिंह सर हिंदी में बात करिए प्लीज.
हिंदी में ही बात करते हैं, चलिए हिंदी में ही बात करना चाहिए। एक्चुअली क्या होता है ना, कुछ जवाब इंग्लिश में आते हैं तो फिर जवाब इंग्लिश में आने लगता है, कुछ सवाल जब इंग्लिश में आते हैं तो यू ऑटोमेटिकली इंग्लिश में जवाब देते हैं, बट हिंदी में आएगा तो हिंदी जवाब देते हैं। Faisal, my friend Sakshi loves you. She's from Chandigarh. Could you please say something to her? Would mean a lot. Sakshi, how are you? Sara, this is Sara. Sara is saying this. My friend
Sara?
loves you a lot. She's from Chandigarh. Hi Sakshi, how are you?
Akhil. Akhil is saying I eat your shooting khana in Bandra was last day if shoot. Yeah, we were shooting in Mehboob studio in
shoot तो हाँ,
Bandra.
वो आखिरी दिन था।
Oh,
आखिरी दिन
Akhil,
महबूब studio था।
and Akhil
Sakshi
was there.
हाँ,
Akhil was there, the art director's son. He was there.
हाँ,
He
he
ate our
was there,
khana.
हाँ।
How sweet! And it was my dream, to shoot in Mehboob
महबूब
studio.
studio।
और वो भी true हो गया.
What I'm saying is,
It's
how
amazing.
long can we do this interview? Because for 1 hour only we should talk now. Because that
Yeah.
thing to download and all that, I don't know what all that happens. It's going to be nearly 1 hour. So
It's gonna get cut. If it's gonna be 1 hour, it's gonna
It'll get cut
1 hour
automatically.
fast. But 1 hour passed so fast. We have so much fun.
yeah, we should do this more often. Yeah.
I know. Didn't even come to know कि 1 घंटा हो गया and everybody's sending such sweet
So
messages.
just want to wish happy Dasara to
Tell-
everybody.
Sir, tell us what Karan Johar say to you.
अरे यार, वो करण जोहर से ही पूछ लो यार जाके तुम लोग अभी वो उसने मुझे मतलब I was taking number of someone else to help for the चिनार release. चिनार एक पिक्चर आई थी जो मैं रिलीज करना चाहता और करण जौहर ने वो आदमी को बता दिया इसको नंबर मत दो, ये तंग करेगा, ये करेगा, तो बुरा लगा था उस वक्त। तो खैर मैं उस वक्त तो चुप बैठा, लेकिन मैंने बाद में बोला why should I keep quiet? If someone is being rude, it's better to say that he was rude. तो खैर ऐसा हो गया। खैर वो अपना नजरिया होता है, तो करण जौहर का नजरिया था।
Thank you.
Shall we start
Thank
saying
you,
bye to
Filmy
people or what?
Dunya.
How, sir, tell us about the choreographer. The choreographer हमारे पास 2 थे, लॉलीपॉप थे जिन्होंने फ्राइडे और राइडली कोरियोग्राफ किया, और दूसरे जो थे उनका नाम था what's the other, I forgot the other guy's name.
Arif. or
No,
something.
not Asif. No, he's a, how could I forget the other guy's name anyway? Anyway, I'm sorry, I forgot the other guy's name. Loved your movies in Kamaya. Kamariya.
Sir, kabhi alvida na कहना. How sweet. Tess is so sweet. She said kabhi alvida na कहना. And somebody also told ki please come for more lives. And Filmy Dunya is saying hello Faisal.
Hi, Filmy Dunya.
Everything about politics. Okay, something about politics. Wow,
Okay.
so many questions.
So shall we say bye to everyone?
Yes.
है ना?
Yes.
So
So
Rolly,
Faisal bhai, don't reply at all. Sorry, Faisal, somebody saying you don't reply at all.
oh God. Yeah. So we'll reply to everyone more and more. We'll keep on coming and doing many more live sessions with
Yeah.
everyone
Yeah.
joining. Let them know, and then we can answer more and more questions. You know, so thank
Definitely.
you everybody for joining. Happy Dasara once again.
Thank you. Happy
Rolly,
Dussehra.
some last word from your side.
No, we are going to come again live.
Yeah,
In
so
few days.
yeah. In fact, you should when
But
our
happy
film,
Dussehra.
if our film is releasing in Maharashtra, we'll definitely come alive once more.
Yeah, and we should actually go to
Before
the theaters
22nd.
also and do it
Yeah,
live.
we should
there.
go to theaters.
You
Yeah,
know, that'll be fun.
we'll do that. We'll do that.
That'll be fun. ठीक है.
Okay.
Thank you, Faisal.
everybody.
I had so much fun. Thank you so much
Yeah,
for having
thanks.
me. Bye.
Thanks, Ranoli. Bye.
Happy
Take care.
Dussehra. Bye, guys. Thank you so much,
Happy Dussehra,
everybody.
everybody.
Bye.
Bye.
Roli,
Thanks.
I love you. I love you too. Bye. Bye,
Bye.
Faisal.
Bye.
Bye.